welcome back to my channel. I'm Joana and this is your 5-minute quick finisher for the abs. Today we're using one dumbbell. 5 minutes, 5 exercises, let's go. Down on the mat. Grab one heavy dumbbell. We're starting in 10 seconds with sit-ups. Okay, so lay down. My dumbbell is 3 kilo and up and slowly roll down and up with control. Keep breathing. Lower down with control, one vertebra at a time. My dumbbell is 3 kilo. Okay, lift your legs. We have toe touch crunches and reach and reach and reach and exhale, exhale, exhale. Exhale. Keep going. Brilliant. Okay, Russian twist, sitting nice and tall. Lean slightly back and now twist with control. Twist and twist and twist. Keep going, it's 1 minute each exercise. Finish this strong. Okay, plank, pass the dumbbell. So in high plank position, I'm gonna keep this position and now pass it. Pass the dumbbell through the other side. And switch. And switch. And switch. Keep your hips forward. Abs on fire. Okay, brilliant. Last exercise, quickly up. We have side bend, so bend to the side from the torso. No changing in your hips, so don't push your hips to the side. Just bend, bend, and bend. We're gonna go for 30 seconds each side. and switch. And well done everyone! This was your 5-minute quick finisher workout for the abs using dumbbell. See you tomorrow! That was amazing, well done! Make sure you check in with using hashtags JDFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.